This is my ECE 387 individual final project. It's unfortunately incomplete. What this was supposed to be was a bicep form tracker. This here is an accelerometer, as you can see right there. What this main purpose was to pretty much sit on the back side of your bicep and have you keep it level to coincide with the proper form of how to do a bicep. You're supposed to keep your whole bicep level and not dip too much, not swing your arms. You don't want to sway left to right or up and down. So this is what this does. It's pretty much just a tilt sensor. As you can see here, like right now it's pretty level, but once I move it with outside of the parameters, it's going to go ahead and sound an alarm and turn that LED off, which in the actual project itself should have indicated that you didn't do a proper rep and it wasn't going to count it right here on the LCD counter. The problem with that is I need a muscle sensor, which I had and it unfortunately broke. So right now I was trying to use a button to simulate the value of the muscle sensor. The muscle sensor just comes back in an integer value, and what I was planning on doing was setting a threshold for it. So saying, if muscle sensor, it just reads through an analog here. So if muscle sensor was greater than X value, then go ahead and check this. This accelerometer is set up to something called a proper form in the code, which pretty much signifies yes, you're doing your bicep properly. It's going to go ahead and count it, and once you're done, it's going to increase your counter. However, the button didn't really want to work or cooperate with me, and the bouncing and other things of such kind of made it more difficult than using an actual muscle sensor. The only thing you need on the muscle sensor is just a power supply, go to ground, and one of those analog pins. So they're very simple, and this definitely convoluted things and helped the incompleteness of my project. But again, what I have here, at least something completed, is this accelerometer moves outside the range of Y. It's going to go ahead and turn off. Does the same over there, and you can do the same for forward and backwards. And again, this is supposed to sit on the back of your bicep to help keep it level. So it's keeping like this, that light's on, no horrible sound's going to play telling you you're doing it improperly, and you're supposed to follow through with your reps and increment the counter.